Your goal is to go to the square that matches the desired Five Nights at Freddy's character's face, and be the last one standing. The platforms that don't have the right face on it end up falling over. And when those platforms fall, so do the characters standing there, and they're never seen again. You have the ability to knock people off the stage.
Oh my god, the
as little as even a few seconds.
Bro, the way he did the noise. Whoever made that noise deserve a raise. I'm not fucking kidding. Because the noise sounds like something from my funny sleep paralysis shit. I'm not fucking kidding. Oh my god. They fall off the map going sounds like something straight out of a fucking like sleep paralysis shit. And a fucking Dave Microwaves Games monstrosity's asshole. Like I don't know, the curse of Mr. Krusty or something. Because whoever made the noise actually deserves a raise. I am not kidding.